What's up guys, in this short tutorial I will show you how to change server permissions and roles on Discord. This should be quite an easy tutorial, everything you need will be listed in the description below. To get started, open up Discord and navigate to your server settings by right-clicking your server's name at the top left corner. In the server settings page, look for roles on the left-hand menu and click on it. The role settings will open up. Here, you can see the different roles on your server. Click on the role in which you want to make the changes. Once you click on any role, you'll be able to see three different panels, namely Display, Permissions, and Manage Members. Click on Display. Here, you can change the role name. You can also specify multiple changes here according to your choice. Once you're done making changes in the Display section, navigate to the Permissions tab. In the Permissions section, you'll see many other features that you can specify for that particular role. Next, navigate to the Manage Members section. Here, you can see your server members with different roles. Right-click on the member whose role you want to change. A menu of options will appear. Click on Roles. Here, check the role that you want to give to that particular member. That's it. That's how you can easily change roles and permissions on your server. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.